Hi, dear friends, welcome back to Slime Rancher 2. My name is Arcane Static, and we are getting right back into it. I've been somewhat reticent to get back in and record more because I've had a lot of other stuff to do, but we're doing it now. Today's drink is ginger ale with lime syrup, which is exquisite. So, that's where I'm sitting today. Now then, where were we when last we left off? Those guys are doing fine. I probably ought to do something otherwise. Okay, they got plenty of heartbeats in here. I should probably take these carrots out because the heartbeats are what they actually want. We're just gonna... It's fine, whatever. And we'll put in the heartbeats. There we go. And then let's probably, like, pick up a whole bunch of these so that they don't spoil the ground. Ow, my life. What are you doing out here, my guy? Get out. Get where you belong. There we go. Now, those go back in there. Let's go fill another bit of this silo with even more bloody carrots. Because we got plenty of carrots. We got carrots for days. Carrots for days. Let's go back and pick up the rest of them. There's so many of them. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. We should also probably stop growing them. The onions grow here, and the heartbeats grow here, but that's what the carrots come from, is the onions. That makes sense. Well, it's gonna be infinite carrots all day. Can I upgrade this thing? Yeah, we can do that. That actually works out well. So we're gonna have infinite carrots. That's what's going to happen. Come on. Okay, let's also take a whole bunch of these. I don't remember what we need for science, but I'm sure that we need some of these. And then we'll go around this way, and we'll take some similar here. Oh, I've already got as many of these as I can take. Shoot! Shoot! Alright, there we go. 38, 39, 40. Alright. The more slimes I get, the more time I have to spend, like... I move this way. I move this thing this way. There we go. The more time I have to spend, like, dealing with farm stuff and less with, you know, exploration. Alright, you there. Keiko Death. More jelly stone. Okay. Boom plorts. This I can do. What do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever, it's probably fine. Boom, bang. Give me them dash boots. Now I need more of those. And some honey. Okay, so actually, I should just drop all of the boom plorts in there right now. That's probably fine, though. And crystal plorts. Okay, so let's just dump all of these. Excellent. Too easy. And I can go and sell the honey and the rock. So we found out recently, or at least perhaps if not found out, have hypothesized that the AI is a recreation of a human intelligence. Ooh, I've got something new. Who is it? Ooh, almost everybody. Oh, hello. I must tell you, I saw this item and it just screamed Beatrix. And that's how I realized I'd accidentally hit it with the sentience ray. But don't worry, everything is fine and very normal now. Anyway, I thought you should have it. Enjoy. Hey, a new home portal. Hey, Bee, didn't you say something a while back about wanting more stuff? Wait, I think that was me. Well, whatever, enjoy more stuff. Thanks, Mochi. Hey, amiga, how are you feeling out there? When I feel lonesome, I go out and do something nice for a friend. Makes me feel right as rain every time. This is just my little way of saying I am thinking of you. What about you, Thora? Sorry, B, I need this line open for Hobson. He has this friend he likes to jaw with all day about who knows what. Strange fella in a trench coat. I can't make heads or tails of it. Excellent. He and Bob. That's amazing. I love it. I love these guys. Alright. Let's get some chickens. Do I have any chickens to pull out here? Just the one, so we'll just kind of jam that in there. Now let's do some of this. Just don't mind me just scooping up a large portion of the population here. Let's put all of you guys back in here. And 3 roosters and like 6 or 7 chickens is fine, probably. You go in there. There's plenty in there for you to be fed with, so... Excellent. And let's just jam these in here as well. We're just doing some basic farm maintenance, you know? There's normal basic stuff. These have been cleared out recently, but these have not. Only 14 carrots there. Well, surely we can fix that. Num 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 num. And then I should probably have planted these somewhere else. But it's fine. Let's buy an additional storage, and an additional storage, and an additional storage. We're gonna blip. Like so. You guys use the... What actually is your thing? What do I have it feeding you right now? I have it feeding you the pomegranates. Is that on purpose? Okay, the bats do like the pomegranates. So actually, I did do something smart here. It happens once in a while. Not super often, but, you know, once in a while. There we go. How about you guys? Let's do this. There we go. Did I just accidentally, like, gravity rocket slingshot some of those plorts out? Wow, look at all of them. Woo, now get out of there before I set myself on fire. just... I probably should have used something else for that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Fire plorts are down to 25, but I can still get a decent amount out of it, so that's fine. Alright. Basically, basic normal stuff happened right here. Okay, so map-wise, I still want to go in here, which means I need to collect a bazillion nectars. Nectar is somewhat more difficult to come by. And then I'm pretty sure that this guy gives me a teleport over here somewhere. So the question sits now... Oh, there's also this guy. I forgot about him. But the question sits now, do I chase this guy? Or do I chase this guy? There's a lot of these guys. I forgot about them. Well, let's head out that direction and just go to the southern. And I'll pick up as much food stuff as I can get on the way there for the purpose of feeding. Don't need any slimes, thank you, though. Give me one of that. And some of these. And these guys. We don't need any slimes, so goodbye. And blip. Splat! Very good. Don't mind me just doing a good little collect. I need jellystone as well. Be nice to have that. Probably, yeah, there it is. I was like, I dropped the other one off the cliff, didn't I? Any resources that I can get, I suppose, will be useful. But that, I guess, just tends to be how the world is. Any resources I can get will be useful. Where am I going? South, yeah. Actually, though, I want to go into that teleporter down this way. And I will take these. Zoo. Oh, shoot. Why did I do that? Don't need it. That just takes me right back down to the thing, but I know that there are some resources down there. I may as well go and get some. Like, I'm not sure exactly how useful the deep brine is right now, but I have it. Am I close back enough to... Yeah, I may as well go and run and drop these in the science real quick. Completely unintended, but... You know, here we are. I should probably make, like, a depositor that I can put upstairs. Ah, I've got 2 more jellystone. Isn't there something I can make now? Power core we can do. It's probably power core. Let's do power core. Boom! Now I've got 200. But for realsies, though, we're actually going to go down to the South Island, I promise. I made the lime syrup myself using that recipe that I'd seen on TikTok 100 times of equal weight in white sugar and fresh cut fruit. And you just mix them up, put them in a jar, and like leave them in the fridge for a while. So I cut up some fresh limes, put them in with the sugar, and it's immaculate. Like, it's very lime, but it also has that little bitterness from, like, having left the peel onto it, so you get that kind of, like, limey zest as well. Limey zest. Limey zest is the name of my British rapper persona. Oh? No, I've found this before. Just, oh, there's a hole there. Oops. There was a hole here. It's gone now. Don't you do it! It's like, oh, jeez. I am very used to falling off of stuff into the water at this point. And, oh, are you guys angry? Well, don't be angry. You're not yourself when you're hungry. Speaking of that, I know it's not even the right candy, but I have a Reese's. About which I should probably do something. Let's go ahead and pick up this stuff. We're gonna get a bunch of tars, aren't we? Yep, starting off strong already. Being around at night is like such a disaster. Looks for the nectar. Saved you, little buddy. Get into the water. Don't mind me, just looking for infinite nectar, of which there is always none. This is nothing, isn't it? I jumped down here for nothing, didn't I? I don't know if I was supposed to be able to do that. Ah! Get back up there. Thank goodness for that upgrade I just did. Like, yikes. Hello? You eat meats. Here's 2 more. Did not know there was a strange diamond just like sitting right there. That's nice. Give you the seat. What? Eat. Okay, you like the sea hens quite a lot. Not that I'm gonna be collecting a ton of those, but you know, when we get the chance, obvo. Just real quick like, since I've got an extra one. Eat this thing. Are you sitting in front of a door of some sort? No, this is a water jet, isn't it? I don't know where it goes. I do, however, at present still only have one Moondew nectar, which is problematic. Is it T? Yeah. Places to put gadget? No places to put gadget. So I know that that guy's there. I know this guy does the nectar. I think that's all of them that I know about right now. Down in this area, at least. But we're looking for the Moondew. You an old boy? Yeah, you're an old boy. Surely there's got to be like a good farming route for nectar. What are the other guys? Cat eats meat, bat eats fruit. So these actually will not do me any good pretty much at all. But you will. Please, for to be giving me the honey. Do I have to get it from the bottom? Yeah, gotta get it from the bottom. Guess that's fair. Like the Moondew nectar, though. Wouldn't that be cool? I don't have any more space. Sue. Am I going the right way? Kind of, I guess. It's weird that I can't collect these. Like, they look like they'd be collectible. Do I have you on the map? I don't have you on the map. I better find a bird somewhere real fast. You got a bird in you? You do got a bird in you. Come back and get that sand in a second. More important right now, boom. You got a cave behind you. Okay. We're doing it. But we are over in dangerous land area now. I want to go further down this way. Because the idea is to try to collect enough of the nectar from the Moondew flowers, I guess. This door definitely opens up. Okay, that's worth something. Up here. I'm doing fine. Just keeping eyes out for Moondew nectar. Don't really see a whole lot of that kind of opportunity over here. It might be that they are only available on the pink side. Surely not. Maybe? It would be a shame if that were true. Because then I would have wasted several minutes just kind of hanging out in an area. Moondew. Yeah, okay, like, see, there's one of the plants there. And there's the dew that comes from it. So perhaps it is blue area only. Incredibly unfortunate if true. I sure hope I don't have to collect like 1,000,000,000,000 of these things. There are puddle slimes. Little friendos. Okay, so... yeah, actually, there's one up there as well. Okay, so I've got 6 of these, which acts as 12 because it's the favorite. Of course, there's bloody tars. Alright. Go on then. Get out of here. Are we all done? Okay, where? Directly behind me, so it's up there. But where, though? Oh, up there. Durr. And up we go. Can we get uppies? Can we manage uppies? Currently the answer seems to be no. I know that there is a way to get up there because I have done it before. Yes. Alright, whatever. I'm not dealing with it. They got a tar problem. It's their problem. It's not mine. Don't fall off the edge, please. And we will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's all that we can get out of that. But we can do this. Pick up a bunch of the buzz wax. I must protect the puddle slimes at all costs. They are pure. They must be protected. Crud. It's a moondew nectar. Alright, well I don't actually need this so much then, do I? I'll come back down for these in a second. Oh, okay. It's a dead one. So it doesn't make a difference. Get dead! 'Tis I! Come up here. Do I have any stuff? No, I do not have any stuff. So, I should probably collect resources and head back then. Not a whole lot got done this episode. Which is fine, I guess. I mean, at least we didn't, like, you know, die. Lose all of our stuff. We did discover a new Gordo, which, that's something. Just need to bring a lot of meat. Because what do we need? We need meat, meat, fruit, and nectar. The nectar is somewhat difficult to get as well. I am to understand that this is probably like one of the things where it only spawns at night or something like that. Okay, where am I? I can go back across this bridge and then teleport right back. No one to here. There it is. Oh look, there was a Moondew nectar right there as well. Zoop! Excellent. Alright, so let's get back home real quick like. Just gonna new... Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. Does this lead anywhere interesting? Oh, okay. No, the answer is no. Fine. Where am... Like, I'm so bad at navigating, I have to constantly check the map. Oop. And we'll head right down and put all of these into science. Science! So, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 of these. And like that. Okay, so then we can probably head back and maybe let's dump all 30 of these fruit into the bat guy in the next episode. Thank you so much for coming and watching. I hope that you've enjoyed it. The like and subscribe buttons are waiting below this video. You've been on YouTube before, you know what to do with them, but please actually do it and don't just be like, I'll do it later, because it helps a lot. Comment if you want to. I try to answer them and all that, but yeah, appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.